Fuck it. Oh. Oh. God damn it. Oh. Shit. I do not have the money to pay for this. This is so much harder with a scooter. That's good. Yeah, my scooter broke, man. Yeah. I'm gonna try and get it fixed. I gotta talk to Greg. Yeah. Yeah. Just hold out for a little longer, baby. I'll get you fixed up. Yo, Greg. Dude. Nah. He's always at the gym. Not like he ever asked me to go. He knows I have gym anxiety. Today has been such shit. Failed my test. My bitch of a girlfriend, Steph, has been on my ass about everything lately. And now this, or you. Sorry, not trying to be rude, it's just like, can't seem to do anything right lately. It's probably Steph blowing my lineup again. Yep, she's mad I haven't been texting her, as if I haven't been dealing with this whole situation. Not that you're a situation, it's just like, I don't know what to do right now. Like, I'm scared if I leave you on the side of the road, they'll take you away and charge me. I just cannot take that risk right now. I'm broke. Spring break was a complete fiasco, and sorry, I'm ranting again. Just that you're such a good listener. Like, I feel like I can tell you anything. It's not like you have a choice, but still.
I can't believe you're keeping that in here.
Where else would I keep it?
I don't know. I just don't understand why you were even writing one in the first place. They're dumb.
I don't know. They're actually pretty cool once you get to know them. So.
Them? It's a scooter.
There's a lot of them. I don't know. What pronoun do you want me to use?
Let's just watch them.
All right.
We're not doing well. I've been going in circles for an hour.
Okay, you have not. You're just not being optimistic. You're being very stubborn right now. Okay, stop walking this direction. It's the other way.
You okay? You're acting weird.
I'm fine. I'm fine.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay, the tunnel on the left.
Hey, listen. So I'm sorry Steph was like such a bitch yesterday. It's kind of just how she is all the time. Come in.
So this is the scooter?
Yeah. You think you can fix her?
I don't know. I've never fixed anything like this.
I thought you worked with cars or something last summer.
Dude, I worked at my dad's car dealership.
Is that not the same thing as working with cars?
I worked in sales.
I mean, like, haven't you learned anything in those engineering classes that could help out here?
I mean, let me see. I could try to take a look.
Cool. Just, like, be careful.
All right. Dude, chill.
Bro, you chill. You're, like, manhandling her.
All right. I'm sorry. Yeah, I don't think I'll be able to fix this, honestly.
All right. Well, thanks for nothing, then.
I mean, well, that thing's fucked.
It's not a thing. First of all, her name is Sharon.
Dude, you named it?
I mean, yeah. It felt weird not to.
Right. Why don't you just call the repair number on the app?
Dude, you know I don't have the money for that.
Well, maybe you shouldn't have
What?
spent all that.
What? That I shouldn't have spent all my money on iguana racing bets? Yeah. You've only told me that like 50 million times, Jason. Well, listen, I'm not calling that company. I'll just figure something else out.
We could all chip in if you need.
No. I got this. It's weird. I just feel so comfortable around you. Like I can say anything, do anything, just be myself. You just get me.
What the fuck?
Steph, it's not what it looks
No,
like.
but what is it then? You're just on the floor, caressing a fucking scooter?
I don't know. It's
Yeah,
just
and you have the candles? I mean, where did you even get those?
Target.
This is so weird. So weird. I'm done.
Wait, Steph. Wait.
Dude.
Hey, I think it's the scooter guy. Hey, how's it going?
For the scooter.
Thanks for coming.
Gentlemen.
See you. Thank God, that thing's finally out.
Jesus, dude.
Oh, what's going on, boys? Listen, I'm gonna be with Sharon for a little bit, so just text me if you need anything. Sharon, where are... Yo, guys, where the hell is Sharon?
Calm down.
No. Where the hell is she?
A better place?
Heaven?
What? No, we called to get her fixed.
Why would you do that? I had everything under control.
That was not control.
Oh yeah, okay. Well, did they say where they're taking her? Like, is she getting repaired? Are they giving her upgrades? Is she going to get fixed?
Dude.
Like, what?
She's gone.
Sharon! Hey! Sharon! Oh my God!
What?
Good for you. Good for you.
Okay, let's not.
Listen, just take care of her.
Okay, we will. Yeah, totally do.